When outbreaks happen, we have to stop them right away because there is this possibility that the virus will accidentally have a change that could make an outbreak escalate. I'm a computational geneticist, which is someone who uses computers to look at data from biology, from our genomes. The genome of a virus is so incredibly important to all aspects of its intervention, prevention, understanding. It's basically a blueprint that every organism on Earth has that defines it. Every time a virus replicates, it just reproduces its genome. And when that happens, sometimes an accidental change can happen. A new mutation changes that genome sequence just a little bit. Most of those mutations either have no effect or a detrimental effect and get cleared out. Very rarely, it's possible they can pick up a change that somehow is beneficial to them. One of the major drivers of evolution is natural selection. And in the context of viruses, you see that if a virus basically has some mutation that makes it spread more quickly or infect more people, and then it will become more common in the population. And that's why, it's a real issue when you're talking about an outbreak of something like Ebola that's not believed to happen in humans that often, as you're giving it more and more opportunities in this new environment and human infection to mutate and change and to have a widespread impact.